Good morning again. Wow, look at this. I harvested the peppers this morning. Absolutely amazing. I can't believe it. Have never been able to grow peppers like this ever here. And not just one or two, but basically almost every plant down there, like I said. The green, and of course the beans next to it. Our fifth harvest of beans. So I'll be doing a little bit of canning later on. And that, like I said, because we haven't had rain here for 9 days, it's not going to take long for the bean harvest to really die out here. And that because they need that moisture, but incredible. I am so amazed at the size of our green peppers.
Is sweet bell pepper.
Yeah, and it's a sweet bell pepper. And if you look over here, oh, Beth is cooking.
Yeah.
And we've got tacos and that. We picked up some flour tortillas and Tagbilaran. And she's got the peach eye all cut up. We got the meat set. We got the cheese, which we picked up in Tagbilaran. And of course the salsa and that. So if Beth wants to hold this, I'll go ahead and make a taco here. Real quick. Yeah, let me get going here. And that. Oh, no. You want to warm. So we're making them warm. It's going to be a soft shell taco. Oh boy. Woo, yeah, a little bit warm there. Put a little meat in there. Let's throw some cheese up on top. Wow, yeah. We got some cheddar cheese. Some lettuce, or here, if you cut up the peach and just use the leaves in that. And of course the finishing touch is the salsa.
Yum, yum.
Yeah, put that all in there. And then we take it as best we can, kind of roll her up here.
Oh, that's
and
really
what
great.
have we got?
Wow.
A taco.
Ibalik ito doon. Mato.
Yeah, I just want to kind of get them a little warm so they're pliable, so they don't break. Not hot,
Yeah,
like this one was kind of hot. So good. Oh,
Yeah.
first time in the Philippines.
Di ko naman meat ra butang. You put it here for Andre. Put a meat. This is our Sunday treat, guys.
And that's how they're made in the States. I like putting the cheese right on the warm meat here. Put a little bit of lettuce on that, a little bit of peach or lettuce. Some taco sauce, because that's what this is all about. Ah, this is actually salsa. But taco sauce, that's what it is. And then we kind of squeeze it here, wrap her up a little bit, so you can hold on to it.
Very good. Lame? Yum yum.
Nice
Tastes good.
Yum yum.
Hey, we're gonna put it again there. We just carried away.
Yeah, so we'll let you go here, everybody. And as you can see, we're enjoying our breakfast here. A bountiful harvest. Wow, good food. My wife Beth, who I love so dearly, her brother, Andoy, here. So, yeah, so good. And that. So I'm going to say goodbye for now. And we're going to finish enjoying our breakfast. Bye-bye.